AABB on SEC. AABB Proof of Genuineness. Hello everyone. Today I will be displaying some information I just found. AABB is listed on the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This proves that AABB is a genuine company and crushes scam suspicions. Watch this video for a tour of the listing. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor or a replacement for one. I am not responsible for your gains or losses. I only present information and my opinion for entertainment and education purposes. Please use your own judgment and research before spending any money. Also, join my Facebook group and Twitter profile for financial updates about every day. If you have any questions about the videos that I make or stocks, just email me. My email is teeninvestorfinance@gmail.com. You can also find many links that will be helpful in the description below. Also, in my previous video, India bans cryptos, my video was confusing and I apologize for that. I got multiple emails and I want to clear things up. The Indian government is not banning blockchains. AABBG is an Ethereum blockchain. It is likely not to be banned because the Indian government is planning to promote keeping blockchains because they have more enhanced security. I am still bullish on AABB. Also, a person commented me asking for if the AABBG token is yet a registered coin. I looked at many places but could not find any information about that. When that happens, I just directly contact the company as a shareholder. The company responded promptly, stating that the coin is not registered yet, but soon will be as they are constantly updating their agenda. This is quite promising. Let me give you a tour of the listing. Okay, so what is the SEC? The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is a large independent agency of the United States federal government that was created following the stock market crash in the 1930s to protect investors and the national banking system. The primary purpose of the SEC is to enforce the law against market manipulation. It is quite important that I explain how AABB is listed on the SEC and give a tour because this is practically a game changer for those who say this company is a scam. The SEC is quite active right now, even planning on taking off Alibaba and other Chinese companies after recent political and economic events. If you look at the website, at the beginning it says Asia Broadband Inc., AABB, and it tells company details. Let me read them for you. Asia Broadband Inc. is a resource company focused on the production, supply, and sale of precious and base metals primarily to Asian markets. The company utilizes its specific geographic expertise, experience, and extensive industry contacts to facilitate its innovative distribution process from the production and supply of precious and base metals in Mexico to client sales networks in Asia. This vertical integration approaches to sales transactions is the unique strength of AABB that differentiates the company and creates distinctive value for shareholders. AABB also is releasing a freshly minted mine-to-token gold-backed cryptocurrency and expects to become a worldwide standard of exchange that is secured and trusted with gold backing, an outstanding quality relative to other cryptocurrencies. Asia Broadband Inc. is a United States-based resource company. It is engaged in the production, supply, and sale of precious and base metals. The company primarily caters its products to the Asian markets. It derives key revenue from the sales of minerals produced. Now, there's a link to SEC CIK profile and documents, but I'll be covering that later on in the video. And it also has OTC documents. It also has the address of the company, which is 1980 Festival Plaza Drive, Suite 300, Las Vegas, Nevada 89135. It doesn't have the auditor name, employees, market cap, net income, sales, or stock style, but it also tells me that the sector is basic materials, industry is other industrial metals and mining. It does not have a direct investment or dividend reinvestment. It also tells you how to contact the company in investors relations section. The telephone is +1 702 866 9054, and the website is www.asiametalsinc.com. In the industry code section, there's an SIC 0629. The SIC, or also known as the Standard Industrial Classification, is pretty much a 4-digit code that categorizes the industry that companies belong to based on their business activities. The ISIC for AABB is 0899. An ISIC or classification code is a standard classification for economic or business activities so that establishments can be classified based on the activity they carry out. The NAICS, which is 212299 for AABB, is the 6-digit North American Industry Classification System. In the OTC filings, which are the financial reports, they have a bunch of reports for AABB from like 2014 to 2020. They even have a quarterly report for the period that ended September 30th. You can check these. I'll put the link for this website in the comments in the description below. Now, if we were to go to the SEC CIK profile and documents, it pretty much looks like this. It says Asia Broadband Inc., SEC CIK number 00012871145. A CIK or Central Index Key number is a number given to an individual, company, or foreign government by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The number is used to identify its filings in several online databases, including EDGAR. The numbers are 10 digits in length. In this page, it says Asia Broadband Inc. is regulated by the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission and incorporated in the state of Nevada. Asia Broadband Inc. is primarily in the business of educational services. Educational services. And this is what they had before they made the big pivot to mining and gold token. For the financial reporting, their fiscal year ended on December 31st. This page includes all SEC registration details as well as the list of all documents, S1, prospectus, current reports, 8K, 10K annual reports filed by Asia Broadband Inc. And then it also has another definition of Asia Broadband Inc., which I won't read. The company details. It has the IRS number, which I already told, the reporting file number, which is 000/50769. The state of incorporation is Nevada. Fiscal year ended in 12/31. The date of EDGAR filing update was 2004-0519. And I already told you about the SIC. The business address is 10 Glen Lake Parkway, Suite 130, Atlanta, Georgia 30328. And the business phone is 678-222-3456. Then it also has a bunch of documents, including security ownership statement, amendment, and a bunch of SB2As, notification that a class of securities of successor issuer is deemed to be registered, and a small business stock registration. And then it goes back to the previous page. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, contact me if you have any more questions.